Hi everyone. It looks like I found myself a tugboat. It was for sale. Yeah, watch out for BS food because I'm down here in yucky water. Hey Mom, come here. Huh. What's inside of that? I wonder. I think I'm gonna buy that. Oh wait, I don't got the money. Oh crap. Well, I seen enough, but also there's like a severe thing, but it looks like somebody actually lives on that boat.
Oh, here comes a barge.
Move.
Watch out. You gotta watch where she's walking.
I think there's an alligator down there.
No, there ain't no alligators. There ain't no alligators in this.
They'd be dead. We ran over. Wait, Mom, isn't it? Wait, aren't they all the same tugboats?
Watch it. You'll see how the back wheel spins. Yeah, that's used to.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
They do it all day long, Harmony. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
They probably got no brakes at all. They probably have like a bathroom in there, probably.
You would think that little bitty, that boat would be able to push that big old heavy barge.
Wait, there's somebody on front of it? Or is that just trash?
No, there ain't nobody on front of it. That's part of the barge.
Wow. Long barge. Looks like someone else did this large. Oh, Mom, on my camera it's like bigger. Look, Mom, look. On my camera it's like huge. Oh, for what you guys are seeing, it's like long, but for us, it's like short. I'm also recording and putting this on YouTube. So yeah. Might as well. Thing's huge. My goodness, dude. You zoomed in, didn't you? Hey, I didn't get. I'm recording for YouTube purposes only. Yeah. Oh, look at the waves that it leaves behind. It looks like an ocean. Like a little. I wonder if they get any brakes. Wait, there's like a door open, I think.
Yeah, that's because that's where underneath where they go in and get their stuff at. Look at the water.
Yeah, I got that on video.
The way it makes it rip. Makes it ripple.
Watch out, Mom. Alright. Up. Wow.
I thought it was a big old fish jumping or something.
It's actually moving the propeller, the thing on the back of it.
Yep.
Hold up. Well, let's go. I have enough video proof.
Where are you walking, please?
I know, there's geese. Crap everywhere. Yeah, and that was, well, I'm not allowed where we are because secret purposes only. Hold up, is there another one coming? Never mind, alright. They're not. I'm gonna have.
No?
Nope.